morning,
Or
Miss.
good afternoon,
Or good
Miss.
evening. Get well soon.
That's what Miss.
Okay, our research topic is all about the study of English teachers' proficiency in the English language. So, as the research topic suggests, we aim to seek the level of proficiency of the English teachers. Why? Because we all know that the role of the teachers is very important, especially nowadays. Because of course, the role of the teachers is to be able to teach different students, and of course, every student needs competent teachers. And based on our own experience, based on my own experience, I have experience of different teachers that are not really that proficient, or like there were times that their level of proficiency is questionable in terms of their grammar use and everything. So we believe that as future English teachers, it is important to seek first the level of proficiency of English teachers, so that of course we will not only help ourselves but also we will be able to help the teachers who are in need. Yes. So for our research questions, we have 3 research questions. Number 1, what is the level of proficiency of English language teachers? Number 2, when can English language teachers be considered proficient in the English language? Because we all know that proficiency is broad if you would not be able to specify or focus on one certain aspect. And the third one is, what difficulties do English language teachers encounter in the English language, so that as researchers also you will be able to help the needs of the teachers. And since this is an action research, you'll be able to suggest different strategies and such. Next.
So for our goals and expectations, first one is we seek the level of proficiency of secondary level English language teachers in teaching ESL learners. The second one is to seek the language background of teachers, because it's crucial for us to also know the different factors of how the teachers grew up or what their background is. It could affect their competency in the language. Third one is the influence of teachers of the English language English subject to their students through the way they teach and handle their class. The influence basically of the teacher to the class itself. So next. Fourth one, full participation from avid and passionate teachers would become the participants of this study. Now, like what Hazel mentioned earlier, there are some cases that teachers aren't really competent, and there might be cases that teachers already know that they're not competent. So it's kind of